Go ahead and walk in the shop. And there y'all have it. Finna go get the valve covers and stuff. Powder coated the same as this. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy McGriff back with another video. Y'all already know, man, we're about some action today. Every time I pick up this camera, I'm trying to have something for y'all to see. So my motor man ended up sending me a video of basically like not a video, like a picture of the motor with the brackets and stuff put on. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to show y'all that. That's kind of what it looks like. So y'all actually see it kind of like not necessarily go together, but we're gonna try to do that intake and the valve covers, and I think it was one more thing that he also said, and the timing cover. So we gonna go ahead and get that together and go ahead and get that powder coated. As y'all see, we are back at the powder coating place, and like I said, we're gonna drop these pieces off. And as y'all see, he already put it together, so I think I'm probably gonna go back down there and actually I think we're gonna hook some more stuff up. I gotta go buy an alternator today and a transmission, hold on, a water bypass pipe. So I gotta go get those, and then I did order like a transmission line also, but it never came. So I think he said we can probably go get that from the same place. And that should be it. Then we got pretty much everything done. So now this is gonna take like another week, but you know, he don't really need the manifold, the top piece, the intake and everything to finish the motor. So we probably end up putting the motor in the car. But the only thing messed up is I gotta work this week on nights and stuff like that. So it's gonna kind of throw me off with the videos and him slowing down. So y'all might get the next video and yeah, the motor might be in the car, but like I said, we got a lot of stuff to do, man. End up, you know, tuning the car, seeing how much we get to the wheel and everything, and pretty much getting everything situated, man, because it should take no time now, because like I said, we already got the transmission. He already put it together, and I think he ended up cleaning the engine bay and everything, got it degreased and everything, so it should be ready to drop in. Other than that, that's pretty much it for right now. I'm waiting on him to come with the pieces, and then we should be good to go. I'll catch y'all in a second and see what we do next. Alright, so we done made it back. Ended up got my pieces. These are all the pieces we're gonna drop off. The radiator support, timing chain, and the valve covers. And then we gotta still bring the intake back. Alright, so that's the color that's going again. So everything else should be good. I gotta bring the intake back. So y'all gonna see once I go down there, I gotta end up bringing that piece also back. But other than that, that's what we dropping off today. I think 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, and then I gotta bring the intake. Other than that, I'll catch up with y'all in a second once we get back down here and do something else with the car. Alright, what's going on? We done made it back. Gonna go ahead and pressure wash the up under the car, so we can get all this oil and stuff off. So went and bought the purple matches and everything, so we finna do a degrease on all the stuff, spray it down, pressure wash it off. End up getting this purple magic right here, extra, the screen. So that's what we got right now. That's what we finna do. I'm gonna go get my tripod, set y'all up, and that's all we gotta do. Spray it down, and we're gonna hose it off. All right. Go ahead and walk in the shop. And there y'all have it. Finna go get the valve covers and stuff. Powder coated the same as this. Look good, don't it? Wait till that end up getting powder coated. Same color as this. Y'all see the pulley that we was talking about right here. We're finna get this powder coated also. The little plate to go over it. The 2 valve covers. And then that's it. But look good so far. Throttle body on my parts and stuff.
Yeah. Tell me what you gonna do to him. Huh? Don't get in the way. That's all I'm saying. Fucking scared. What you gonna do, Tony?
I gotta see what it do first before I get it.
What?
That's I gotta see what it do first before I get it.
What you got to see?
You
scared of the call out?
Shit. Yeah, he know more than I do.
Oh, now he know more than you do. Boy, I'm fucking scary fucker. I ain't nothing but a rookie driver.
Shit. That's better than me.
Get in my car and play with it and learn my car. That's it.
Yeah, that's all you gotta do.
When the motherfucker scared, they'll say anything.
I'm about to cut the exhaust.
Hater. I didn't know you were recording.
Oh, nah, you good. Shit, I put it on YouTube.
Oh, you got the channel?
Yeah. Trying to start my first build with it. Shit, it's doing pretty good. There we go. Too many goddamn dogs out here.
queen.
Oh yeah.
Step closer.
Oh yeah. This shit a process, that's for damn sure.
That's a whole other car. Brand new kill. The little shot with Dre work it. What the hell that shot got to do with Brandon Kelly? No, I'm saying that's his wife. She worked in office. Who, Brandon Kelly? Yeah, his wife. Yeah.
Alright, so what's going on? I see I ain't do a closeout of the video. Like I said, we was down there messing around, degreasing the engine part. He ended up cutting the exhaust off. Still got to pull the actual pipes down. And then we're going to run all new pipes. You know, I already got the long tube headers and everything. So we working, man. I'm trying to get everything situated. I just spent some more money today. A lot more money today. I had to go get alternator, a cross member, and some more stuff. I got my phone and stuff right here. I forgot pretty much what all we bought today, but thought we had everything, but still a lot of more stuff out there. So what we had to do, we had to buy a cross member, crank bolt, a flex hose, a universal flex hose, a throttle body cable, the crank pulley, and a fire garment. And I gotta go get a regulator. So still more stuff to be spent, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get everything situated. Hopefully that's it. We should have everything that we need. And I do have the manifold. I end up bringing this back home because we're gonna take this to the powder coating shop in the morning and get this powder coated. Y'all let me know, should I go ahead and paint it? I mean powder coated all the color. And I'm thinking about just leaving the words the same color, so it'll match the bottom of the manifold. So it's kind of giving like that contrast, because as y'all see, it's a lot of color in it. So me trying to add color, it'll look uniform if I do everything together. But I think what I'm gonna do is we're gonna do all this, the rose gold color, and I think I might leave this. If some way they can just cover this up, but I don't know how they actually gonna do it, but they'll figure out a way to actually do it. But they pretty nice guys, so he'll probably end up helping me out with that. So we just trying to get everything situated, man. And like I say, this process can be done a lot faster, but I'm trying to record a majority of the stuff, so we're gonna let that stuff sit for like, I think he say a day or two, gonna spray it off again. But I'm finna end up being working, so I probably ain't gonna get to it until the weekend. I'm trying to get these videos and stuff, but I can't. I'm trying to get y'all long videos because I can chop it up and try to be like, oh, I'm doing this, boom, get a video. I'm doing this, get a video. But I'm just gonna give y'all the whole thing, you know what I'm saying? No point of just waiting around, dang, why he posted this, why he did that. I'm just gonna give y'all what I got. So if I go down there for an hour, boom, boom, I'm gonna give y'all the whole video. It'll just be day by day. So I appreciate all y'all watching, man. I appreciate the comments. I appreciate, as y'all see, I'm commenting to probably everything that I can. You know what I'm saying? I'm giving y'all giving me feedback and stuff like that. I take it. You know what I'm saying? I take everything as, you know, corrective criticism. You know what I'm saying? I don't know everything, and you know what I'm saying? I ask questions here. When I be down there, I be like, what this is? Damn, you don't know what that is? You know what I'm saying? Shit, I don't. You know what I'm saying? So I'm learning as I go, but you know what I'm saying? You gotta have the people around you to let you know, you ain't dumb, you just asking questions here. I ain't know everything. I'm pretty sure y'all probably can ask me a bunch of stuff that I know that y'all don't know. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't too much on the car game. I mean, too much on the motor build. I've been in, with the car stuff, but it's all new to me. You know what I'm saying? I don't know no 255 crankshaft with a goddamn high compression, low compression. I don't know nothing about all that. But we trying to get there, man. You know what I'm saying? I do this the first time, I know what I'm talking about the next time. So can't nobody shit me on certain things, you know what I'm saying? I got the right people in my corner to help me out with certain things that I need to every time. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm building that actual team behind me, so when it's time to get something done, boom, send this over there. Boom, send this over there. And plus we got a suspension guy that's gonna be doing the suspension. And like I say, we are gonna try to go to rear end because I don't want to be peg leg. So we gonna put the big 9" or 8.5. I ain't for sure yet, but you know what I'm saying, we working on it. So when I get all this stuff situated, then we'll be good. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of money, but we getting there. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate y'all. Like the video, share the video, and y'all go ahead and get it out to more people so we can grow this channel. You know what I'm saying? But we are growing, and I appreciate it, and I just can't say it enough. So I'll catch y'all next video. Appreciate it. The next video, we should be picking up the powder coat stuff and show y'all that. And then all the pieces that I ordered today should be here by Friday. So I should be off by then. So if you do something by the weekend, we'll have some more videos. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and get y'all this video, man. I've been working on this stuff all day, and I'm trying to tell you, this stuff started this morning, really. I've been up all day. Just getting back to the house, it's like 10 o'clock, but we've been moving all day. So, all right, man, I appreciate y'all watching. I'll catch y'all next video, all right?